This is a controversial and difficult decision, I imagine.
It is, and yet Hewlett-Packard Enterprise, which is the entity that has responsibility for the British case, has said that it intends to pursue this claim to the end. Just to distinguish between the two cases, there was a US criminal case that Mike Lynch was found not guilty in, and then there was the British case in London. And in the London case, Hewlett-Packard sued Mike Lynch and his former chief financial officer over the collapse of Autonomy, the software company, and they found, and the judge found, that Mike Lynch had fraudulently boosted the value of Autonomy. We are now at the point where we are waiting to see whether those damages can be collected, and HP yesterday said they intend to do so.
It is little more than 1 week since Mike Lynch's body and that of his daughter were recovered from the sunken yacht off the coast of Italy. It's an extraordinary story, Jonathan, but could you just explain kind of procedurally what is happening at the moment with the investigation of what happened and now this legal challenge at the same time?
Yeah, so in Italy, the prosecutor has opened a preliminary inquiry. They are looking at potential manslaughter charges relating to the foundering of this luxury yacht, the Bayesian, that sank in such a short period of time when severe weather struck. And they'll be looking at human error and all host of other issues. But as you say, it's just a few days since that happened, and then HP comes out with their own statement that in London they will carry on the case, and lawyers will tell you that in a British case the claim can fall to the estate in the event of a death, and so in this case HPE will be pursuing the claim against the estate of Mike Lynch. That is his recently bereaved widow, who was on the boat and managed to escape, as well as his daughter, who wasn't on board.
And as your story says, look, they're likely to face criticism going ahead with the claim, but Hewlett-Packard Enterprise has its earnings, I hate to bring it back to that, but has its earnings this week. They were likely to face questions, Jonathan, so maybe they're getting ahead of that.
Yes, I think that's probably the likely reason why we know this now, because the simple fact is that the actual court case is still weeks
Yes.
from conclusion.